Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game, an LGBTQ plus edition of Pusuan or Laruan!
Di tayo iwan, di pa pabayaan. Pero wala ka na naman, at di ko maintindihan. Kung wala nang ganog ng magpaasa, dahil ako'y nasasaktan, ginagawa mo akong lalaruan. Hey, do-do-do-do-do-do, lalaruan. Hey, do-do-do-do-do-do.
Alright, here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous singles over here, and we'll also be bringing out some sexy singles one by one. So, kung napupusuan niyo ang ating sexy single, feeling niyo mag-vibe kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling niyo hindi kayo mag-match or hindi kayo nag-vibe, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? Alright, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Alright, here comes our first sexy single. Hello!
Hi.
Hi, so what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Red, 27 years old.
Okay, and ano namang job mo or what do you do for a living?
I'm currently working as a social media advertiser.
Okay, and what do you like to do for fun or anong hobbies mo?
Playing Mobile Legends.
Okay. And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Pwedeng personality or physical?
Well, hanap ko lang yung loyal.
Loyal. Okay. Ano namang deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Madaming kausap kahit may KMU na.
Okay. So right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloons. So it's up to you. The floor is yours. Kailangan mong pumili ng 2 balloons to pop.
Hirap.
Alright, let's go over here. Okay, so what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Raf. I am 25 and I am a freelance virtual assistant in a US-based client.
Okay. And bakit ka hindi nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Well, at first I'm hesitant. It's just that I'm giving it a chance. I was actually skeptical, but I leave it, kumbaga, yeah, like I mentioned, I give it a chance. Pero naman madami pa siyang pwedeng i-share.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Definitely. Yes.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mong i-pop?
Well, unang kita ko pa lang, parang yung vibes niya yung kaibigan or tito na kasama mo lagi sa bar.
Okay. From kaibigan to tito. Meron bang specific na bakit ganun yung na-feel mo na vibes?
Based sa looks.
Na-feel mo lang na
Yeah.
ganun. Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Nah, well, I'm good.
Angelo, 22 years old, call center agent.
Okay. And bakit hindi ka agad nag-pop ng balloon?
Well, he's my type, so ayun po. And I wanted to know more the person, so that's why.
And how about you? Bakit isa siya sa mga napili mong i-pop?
Actually, same reason lang.
Same as in
Yeah.
friend to tito vibes din or ano?
Mukha siyang mabait na kaibigan, barkada, gano'n.
Okay. Any specific reason why or na-feel mo lang?
Ayun, napil ko lang.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Wala naman na po. Wala.
All right. So right now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons left. So this time, magtatanong ka naman ng isang question to help you narrow down your choices.
My first question is, what's your red flag?
So let's start over here.
I'm Christopher James. I'm 21 years old. I'm currently student. For me, ang red flag ko is sometimes I'm unaware sa mga bagay na kinikilos ko. And gusto ko yung sinasabi sa akin kung ano yung mga unaware ako.
My name is John Banaria. I'm 22 years old, and I'm currently working at a banking financial industry. One of the answers based on my previous experiences, I'm actually a heavy sleeper. So, other people would think otherwise than what I'm currently doing, but I'm just sleeping actually. So, don't worry naman. I usually notify naman you about bago ako matulog. I usually sleep a lot, like 12 hours or more.
Okay.
So, that's a problem for me, I think.
So may hibernation mode ka lang.
My name is Chan, 26 years old. I'm project development. For me, yung paasa. Kasi for me, kapag nakilala mo ako, gusto ko, una pa lang sabihin mo na sa akin kung gusto mo ako. Tapos, hindi yung sa una lang. Tapos sa huli, wala na pala pag-asa. Parang ganun.
I'm Roque. I'm 24, call center agent. Actually, I'm overthinker sometimes. Especially sa mga, kunyari may mga lakad ka na hindi ko alam. Diyan ako nag-overthink. And that would be my base. Based on my experience in the past.
I'm Manuel, 27 years old. So I work in tech. I'm an IT professional. And my answer to your question, my red flag, I detach very easily. Parang nasa mindset ko na people come and go. And those who are worth it will find a way to stay in your life.
Hi, my name is Juno. I'm 33 and I'm the head of customer relations in a software development company. Yung love language ko kasi na giving is act of service, and sometimes I tend to love bomb a person, which is what I'm working on right now, because love bombing someone is really not healthy. At the end, that will just hurt the both of you. So that's one of my weaknesses and one of my red flags.
Hi, my name is RV. I'm 29 years old. I am a financial controller in a crypto company. Siguro, baka sabihin ng ibang tao, ang red flag sa akin is I'm a bit of a clingy person. So since I live independently, so parang kapag I started dating someone, I wanted it sana na to be close. So parang in some way, nagiging clingy ako. And parang i-offer ko din yung sarili ko sa tao. And then, parang sa iba, they find it bothering kasi nga, bakit ka clingy, ganyan. So yun yung probably some other people might find red flag para sa akin.
So based on those answers, you have to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Well, based to sa sagot.
Okay, let's go over there. Hi. So bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Because I always believe in second chances. I mean, hindi naman natin ma-determine agad what type of person is just by looking at him. So I want to know more about him. I want to know how he speaks, how he talks, how he thinks. That's why I didn't pop my balloon just yet.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
To be honest, not really. I'm into moreno guy with tattoos.
Okay.
Thank you.
How about you? Bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Well, yung sagot niya kasi is based sa experience ko before sa past relationship ko. Parang love bound. Parang nakakasakal siya. Nakakaubos na energy.
Do you have any response to that?
I understand that and I acknowledge that. That's why I'm actually working on right now on it. And nakokontrol ko na siya.
Okay, let's go over here. So bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Siguro gusto ko pa malaman kasi 'di ba parang hindi pa naman enough information. So yun para I wanted to know more about him, probably kung ano yung gusto niya itanong, and then probably more about any information about him.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Hindi din. Probably siguro in a way medyo magkaiba kami ng principles. Kasi parang ako I'm more of an open-minded person. So parang I don't mean to judge. Pero based on the way kung paano niya pinresent yung sarili niya. And then I feel like it's kind of close-minded because probably ma-judge agad yung tao. Which is for me, it takes more understanding for you to get there. And probably kung magkaiba nga kami, so since hindi siya mag-work as a relationship, so parang okay din sa akin na parang nag-pop, and then probably baka ako din yung mag-pop.
And how about on your end? May response ka ba sa sinabi niya? Or bakit ba siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Well, ayoko sa clingy.
Ayaw mo sa clingy? Okay.
Especially pag katabi sa kama, gano'n. Gusto ko may boundaries.
Okay, so may unan dito, parang gano'n.
Gusto ko kayakap ko una.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Yeah, I don't know. Kasi parang sabi nga based on my previous relationships, they see me as a cuddle person, na they love to cuddle me. So ako, since I lived independently, so parang syempre kapag may partner ka, di ba mas okay na na nayayakap mo yung partner mo. So, kumbaga, at least dito, malinaw na magkaiba nga kami ng preference. Kaysa kapag, I respect his decision. Kasi lahat naman tayo may preferences. So, okay lang sa akin na at least ngayon pa lang.
Halika na, hug na.
Oh, hug. Kayo na lang daw mag-hug. Siya talaga type man eh. Alright, so meron ako na nag-pop over here. So, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon bigla?
Number one love language ko kasi giving physical touch, and I love cuddles. After a very tiring day, yun yung hahanapin ko. So, if hindi ko yun makukuha sa partner ko, ba't pa ako magpa-partner, diba?
Okay, and do you have any response to that?
Maybe magkaiba din tayo ng preference. Kasi ang love language ko lang is quality time. Pero yung touch, hindi talaga.
Hindi mo talaga preference yan. Okay, pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Physically, yes.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess different preferences then. So right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your decision.
My second question is, okay lang bang i-check ng partner mo yung cellphone mo?
Okay. All right, let's start over here.
For me, okay lang talaga sa akin. Lalo na pag gusto ko ma-secure yung partner ko para sa inner peace niya din. Then para wala siyang masabi. Since I'm a person na free ako kahit honest ako sa mga sinasabi ko or kinikilos ko. Especially when it comes to phone. Sobrang open po ako.
Yes, okay naman sa akin. As long as wala akong tinatago, talagang papakita ko talaga sa yung phone ko. So, ang akin lang, wag mo lang titingnan yung messages ng parents ko with me so that you would know what my deeper problem would be. So, because I don't want you to have those burden as well. So, I would like it to keep it na lang. Pero all of the other details, you can definitely see it on my phone.
For me, yes, okay lang. Kaya akong sacrifice kung ano yung gusto niyang malaman sa akin. And willing akong ibigay yung phone ko kung ano yung gusto niyang malaman. Since kasi kapag gano'n, feeling ko lang sa akin na parang gustong-gusto niya ako eh. Pag gusto niyang malaman talaga kung sino ako, kung talagang loyal ako sa kanya. Kaya okay lang sa akin.
Thank you so much. May sinasabi yun nandun sa dulo.
For me, no. Kasi that would be my privacy and you as well. Syempre ganun din ako. Especially in our social media account. Hindi ko kinukuha, then hindi ko rin binibigay. And I believe na may trust naman tayo sa isa't isa. So, sa atin lang yung sasaktan natin. Or magloloko tayo. Naniniwala kasi ako kung mahal mo, di mo sasaktan.
All right, thank you so much. So based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go over here. So, bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
For me, based sa mga answer niya, typical na gusto ko yung mga loyal, and especially when it comes to games, I'm a gamer din kasi. Then, same rin kami nang hindi kami masyado, more on in physical touch kasi I am more on quality time din. Same kami. Kaya, that's why po.
So, type mo sana siya?
Okay na.
Sakto lang. Type mo. Okay. Alright. And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung isa sa mga napili mong i-pop?
Well, yung sagot niya kasi masyadong giving. Yung ibibigay mo yung phone mo.
So, trick question yun medyo. Yeah. Okay.
Parang privacy mo kasi yun. Phone mo yun. Kung maglolo ko ka. And second reason, yung student. Yeah, kasi I'm 27 years old then I'm looking for a stable person.
So deal breaker for you na student siya. Okay. And do you have any response to that?
For me, di naman big deal if I'm a student or I'm already 21 years old. For me, ako, based sa akin, okay lang sa akin if older than me.
Pero firm ka na on that decision? Okay, alright. Well, thank you so much. Okay, let's go over here. So, bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
The reason why kasi parang all of the things na sinabi niya, it's actually a lot of my type na I'm looking for din. Pero, yun nga. Sadly, I wasn't able to get to know him more. But that's fine.
So, type mo sana siya. Okay. And how about on your end? Bakit isa siya sa mga napili mong i-pop?
Same reason din. Masyadong bibigay mo yung privacy mo for sa partner mo. And type ko actually siya. Ito lang yung sasagot.
Okay. Wag mo na ibigay. Biglang ganun. Alright, pero firm ka na on that decision?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have any response to that? Or?
Sayang lang.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Mamaya na lang.
Mamaya, may plano later. So right now, we have 2 balloons left. So sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo.
For me, masipag ka ba? Sa
In what
sa lahat
way?
ng bagay, sa trabaho, sa buhay. Kasi at the age of 26, kailangan din maging focus na tayo sa goal natin. Kumbaga, di na uso yung parang patamad-tamad.
Yung sagot ko dyan is yes or no. Sa work, masipag ako. 100% attendance. Pag may work ako, hindi ko na asikaso yung paglilinis sa bahay. Diretso tulog lang. Tapos
Okay.
babangon, papasok.
So doon yung no.
Yeah,
Yung sa
yun
mga
yung
household
no.
chores.
Yeah. And di na marunong magluto. Yeah, to be honest.
How about you? Anong question mo for our sexy single?
Actually, medyo na-up ako sa'yo kanina nung sinabi mo, ayaw mo ng, hindi ka favor in physical touch. Actually, yun yung pinaka number 1 love language ko. So, babaguhin mo ba yun para sa akin?
Ganda po.
Well, depende. Depende kung may aircon.
Yun lang pala yun eh. Aircon lang naman pala.
Medyo na-off kasi ako pag lagi nakayakap, tapos mainit. Especially pag mainit, laging pawis.
Pag malamig?
Malagkit.
Pag malamig?
Pag natutulog ako, ayoko talaga naman may umakap sa akin.
Okay, may follow-up.
Why? Di naman ako mabaho eh. Actually, ang pinakagusto ko talaga sa tao yung mabango. Pero hindi lang basta mabango. Amoy malinis dapat. Pero, may aircon kami. Kaya lang, tayo pa rin. Yun lang, I'm good.
Okay, so since wala sa kanilang never mind. Akala ko ba I'm good? I'm good na, ayaw mo na pala. Okay, so bakit ka bigla nag-pop? Because of that issue yung sa physical touch?
Yes, hindi kasi ako nakakuha ng accurate and exact answer na babaguhin niya yun for me.
So you're hoping sana na mag-adjust siya in that way?
Yes.
Oh, ano na? Do you have any response to that?
Yeah, well, lahat ng relationship ko, long term, 5 years, 6 years.
Talagang no physical touch?
Yeah. Wala talaga. Pag natutulog kami, wala talagang physical.
Pag hindi
Nakatalikod
natutulog?
kasi ako. Pag nag-movie marathon, doon nakayakap. Pero
Okay.
sa pagtulog lang, hindi talaga siya.
Okay, alright. Kahit holding hands daw?
Nakatalikod ako bumigay.
No. Iba talagang love language. Okay. Alright, do you have any response to that or you're good na?
So sad.
Yeah.
So sad. Pero
yeah.
good yun. I respect.
Full package na sana siya.
Oh, except for that part. Okay. Well, kanya-kanyang preferences talaga. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so we have 1 balloon left. So please join us over here. Okay, so meron pa ba kayong mga final questions for each other?
Ako for me, wala na. Lahat ng tanong pati yung mga sagot, satisfied naman po ako.
And how about you? Satisfied ka din ba? Meron ka pa bang mga follow-up questions? Okay, wala na.
Adventurous ka ba?
Okay. Adventures ka ba daw?
Yes po, bali nag-hiking po ako. Top 3 highest in the Philippines is naano ko na po. Naakyat ko na. Mount Pulag, tapos Mount Tulandulang, Mount Pinatubo. Ganun po.
Uy, same.
Hikers po ako.
Yeah.
Tapos ngayon bala ko umakit ulit this month kung kakayanin.
Kasama ka na nun. So if there are no more final questions, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Sure na po.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Woo! Okay, we have a busuan match! Please take each other's hand. Punta na kayong Mount Pulag. Ay, hindi, physical touch nga pala. Here comes our next sexy single. Love it! Hi, Hi!
Hello.
What's your name and how old are you?
My name is Yong and I'm 23 years old and I work in a BPO company as well.
Okay. And ano namang mga hobbies mo? What do you like to do for fun?
I usually go to cafes, take pictures and videos, and I love to stroll around the city as well.
Okay. And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality, physical?
For physical wise, I do prefer taller than me.
Okay.
Kasi gusto ko ma-baby.
Okay.
And sa personality naman, I prefer someone na yung loyal and also ano pa ba?
Basta loyal.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
And how about sa mga deal breakers?
Ang deal breaker ko is someone who is inconsistent, especially yung sa communication namin, ganun.
Alright, so right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. So it's up to you. I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop just based on what you're seeing right now.
Oh.
Oh my God!
Oops, sorry.
Okay. Start over here. What's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Roque. I'm 24. I'm call center agent.
And bakit hindi ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Actually, magka-pop na sana ako kanina. Kasi kamukha niya kasi yung pamangkin ko. Then,
pamangkin.
Okay, kanina merong tito, ngayon naman pamangkin. Okay, tapos?
Pero totoo. Then, pero hinayaan ko munang malaman more about sa kanya. Pero he's good. I like his style.
Hindi ko alam kung tatanungin ko kung type mo ba siya kasi sabi mo nga kamukha ng pamangkin mo so medyo weird. Pero ikaw?
Ang ganda kasi ng outfitan niya. Bagay sa kanya.
Okay. And how about you? Bakit siya yung napili mong i-pop?
Well, again, from my perspective din naman, I want someone taller kasi I want to be babied niya.
Taller naman yata. Or much taller, ganun.
And also, mas prefer ko din yung more has mass, hindi naman, I prefer someone yung dominant. Kasi he's so, kasi happy-go-lucky lang ganun na vibe.
Gusto mo mas nagli-lead, ganun.
Kasi, para maging baby, ganun.
Okay. And do you have any response to that? Nag-agree ka ba sa sinasabi niya?
I respect his opinion.
Okay, and nag-pop ka din sa kanya.
Hi, my name is RV. I am 29 years old. I work as a financial controller in a crypto company.
And bakit di ka agad nag-pop ng balloon?
Siguro, ang ganda kasi ng vibes niya, personality-wise. So, kumbaga, it gives positive energy.
So, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes, kasi ako, I dated femme guys in the past and I don't mind dating femme guys.
And how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napili mong i-pop?
For me naman, aesthetic-wise din, I don't see him na parang magja-jive yung personality namin since different kami ng style, ganun.
Okay, yung overall fashion sense,
Yes,
parang
yes.
ganun. Gusto mo mas match sa vibe mo yung style.
Oo, para at least man lang if ever we take pictures.
Sa cafe, hopping mo.
Yes, parang vibe naman kami. Ganun.
Okay, alright. Do you have any response to that?
Ako naman, I respect din. Kasi I understand na probably I might give up like dark because naka-black
Street
din ako.
style kasi.
And then parang probably siguro kasi I'm more matured probably overall.
So different preferences lang.
Yes.
Okay.
But he's foggy.
Pogi naman sana. Okay, alright.
You're cute then. So you're giving very positive, positive vibes. So I hope you stay like that.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question to help you narrow down your choice.
What is your ideal date?
I'm Christopher. I'm 21 years old. I'm currently student. For me, yung ideal date ko is, as he said, na coffee. I like going coffee dates. And also, gusto ko rin po ng mga swimming, ganun.
My name is John. I'm 22 and I'm working at the financial bank industry. And same goes, parehas kami ng parating pinupuntahan cafes as well. It would be easier for us kasi nakamotor din ako. I usually go to Antipolo with cafes. And based on the aesthetic as well, I find it really pleasing as well with the colors.
Manuel, 27. I am an IT professional. So, my answer to your question, any type of date na makakapag-usap tayo. So, ayoko ng mga dates na hindi tayo bibigyan ng opportunity na mag-usap like movies, ganun, kasi parang hindi kita makikilala. So, coffee, walking, ang bucket list ko, picnic. Ayan, so mga ganun.
My name is Raf. I am 25. I'm a freelance virtual assistant. So my ideal date, knowing na, I can travel, ideal date, travel together. Because I can just bring my laptop there and we can work there while you're having fun with the view, mountain or beaches.
Angelo, 24 years old, call center agent. And sa answer is arcade date. Because I really love to play games. Hindi naman yung online games, pero I like to bonding and have fun with my partner.
Hi, my name is Juno. I'm 33. I'm the head of customer relations department in a software development company. So, in a very simple way, if it's just a simple day, hindi naman kailangan na sineset yung day talaga. So, maybe what I can do is, or what I prefer to do is, to surprise you a simple dinner, sit down dinner, and then maybe we will talk about how your day was, or what's your plan in the future, your goals, and then maybe share your dream to me, and then I'll share yung ganun, yung mga conversation lang na makapag-usap tayo.
So based on those answers, I would like you to pop 2 balloons.
Okay.
Let's start over here. Hi. So, bakit hindi ka nag-pop ng balloon agad?
Well, that's the very first question I would like to ask. And I am really sponty. And, I'm looking forward to hear your answer. So, you already asked the question, so it is what it is.
Okay. Pero type mo naman sana siya.
We can go out on a date.
Okay. And bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
As what he have said naman kasi, parang more long-term kasi yung mga plans like travel. And also, since I'm still starting with my career, parang di pa yan yung ko. Parang
exploring pa.
Yes, more on little trips like cafes, ganun muna.
Okay, so more casual.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
When we say travel, I didn't ask you to pay for anything. I got it covered.
Siya naman daw pala magka-cover. Does that change your mind or talaga? Set ka na sa decision mo?
I'm set with my answers.
Alright. So bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Kasi I'm the type of person na I don't judge easily. So, hindi ako yung typical na, yes, physical attraction, yun yung unang makikita mo sa person. Pero I tend to want to know more about the person first before I make a decision or before I switch my emotion into something else.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
To be honest, not really because I'm not into baby boys.
Oh.
And how about... Gulat ako. Okay, and how about you? Bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
He's more on like... Tito vibes with
Tito vibes?
Yeah, that's why I think parang hindi ko siya nakikita as one of my relationship
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Masarap magmahal ng tito.
Gusto mo daw ma-experience or no?
No, it's fine.
Okay, alright.
Daddy na lang.
Daddy lang, not tito.
Not tito.
Okay. Alright, so bakit ka nag-pop bigla ng balloon?
I didn't want to pop my balloon initially kasi you're so light and vibrant and I'm dark and cloudy and I thought I need a little bit of that. However, on a deeper level, I thought you were just starting your career, right? And I'm stable and I want someone more stable.
And how about you? Ano response mo dun?
Bahala ka dyan.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, because he's like, daddy nga.
Daddy. Naghanap kasi siya ng daddy.
Kasi naman anak na lang kita.
Anak lang but not yung parang in a romantic sense na ibe-baby, no? Cute pa naman sana, oh. Super like opposite sa Jackson.
It's fine, no need to worry. I respect din naman your decisions.
Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So magtanong ka ulit ng isang question to help you narrow down your decision.
My question is, what are your goals in life?
My goals is recent ngayon po is mag-graduate and help my parents, not just only my parents but also the community that I have, because I'm helping children or mga orphan po in our community.
Currently, what I'm thinking is growing more financially. Like, for example, my company, parang gusto ko mag-level up, ganun. And if ever na you'll choose me as well, maybe we can level up as well.
Well, me kasi, I'm go with the flow person. So, I mean, since kung ano lang yung, kung ano yung meron, then yun na lang, then parang ano lang, like, kung ano man yung meron, kung ano man yung nandyan, yun na lang yung iti-take ko, ganun. But there's something that of course need to take kung talagang mag-take advantage sa akin or mag-growth sa akin.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to pop 1 balloon.
Sorry.
Okay, let's go over here. So bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Chinito, and I like Chinito as well. And yun nga, sabi niya since he want a dominant person, I'm also dominant person too. Well, may ask ka sana ako kung kami na lang dalawa or rather top 2 na lang if yun nga pwede siyang maging vice versa ganun. Pero yun, I like him as well, like ano lang, yung fashion. Okay. Parang K-pop ganun.
Medyo match nga yung vibe, I think. May ganung factor. Okay, and how about on your end? Ba't siya napili mo i-pop?
Parang if ever kami kasi magkakaroon ng relationship, parang medyo mahihirapan kami to maybe pull each other up kasi he's
go with the flow.
Go with the flow. Tapos ako is nag-aano pa lang din ng career ko, ganun. Start pa lang.
Okay. So you want someone to take the lead sana?
Yes,
ganun.
yes.
Okay.
Daddy ka.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Well, makes sense naman, pero it's all good. Good stuff.
So we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo.
I just wanna ask if ano yung mga gagawin mo if your partner is unaware when it comes to sa mga bagay na hindi niya alam. Like, ganun.
Anything specific or?
Like, kunyari sa situation, sa mga relationship, yung mga hindi pa siya knowledgeable about this kind of things, that kind of things. Okay. How you handle it? Or what would you do?
If my partner naman is like, for example, not knowledgeable on some things, then I can try to teach him, and also we can try to learn it together. Kaya mas cute din yun, di ba?
Okay. All right. Learning together.
What do you usually do whenever that there's slow mornings and slow days? Yeah, I just wanted to know.
Slow mornings?
Slow mornings or slow days?
Usually on slow mornings, what I do is take time to reflect, especially sa mga past decisions. Kasi I like to relive with the moment, and also I like to reminisce with the past memories. Ganun.
Okay.
With coffee.
With coffee. Okay. So since wala sa kanila nag-pop ng balloon, ikaw ang mamimili ngayon. You need to pop 1 balloon.
Pwede take home dalawa.
Dalawa? Triple?
De, joke lang.
Who do you want to be your daddy? Okay. All right. Okay, so let's go over here. So bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
For me, since sabi niya nung unang, sa mga una niya sinabi is, he's loyal and din siya, nagko-coffee din siya, and I like going to cafe then, like with my friends, also with my partner then, when it comes to, nag-aaral kami in the coffee, ganon.
So, type mo sana siya?
Sana.
Ano na yung boses mo? Sana. Okay. All right. And how about on your end? Ba't siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Upon careful deliberation.
Well, okay.
Parang medyo shaky pa if ever magkaroon kami ng relationship kasi we're both starting pa kasi because I believe he's a student, right? Yeah. Parang there are more things to learn and I want someone who will lead me.
Do you have any response to that?
For me, di naman siya mahalaga if financial stable ka or anything. It depends naman sa partner mo kung mag-thrive kayo parehas. You know.
Alright, pero firm ka na dun sa decision mo? Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay. So since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. Okay. So meron ba kayong final questions?
Siguro, statement na lang. Before kasi I was a BPO team leader. So since you're building your career in BPO, if you wanted to know something, you can definitely ask. So, those are things that I can do.
And how about you? Meron ka pa bang final question or statement?
We can talk it later.
Oh, mamaya. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna ask you guys. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Can the question be asked first to him?
Oh, bakit? Gusto mo sure siya talaga bago ka mag-say ng yes? Okay, ikaw daw muna tatanungin. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Okay, so sure na daw siya. And how about you?
Yes as well.
Okay. We have a puson match. Okay, please take each other's hand. Go off into the sunset together. Daddy and baby. Thank you. Congratulations. All right, here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi.
Hi.
What's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Jay. I'm 24 years old.
Okay, and ano namang job mo? What do you do for a living?
I'm a trade marketing supervisor in a telco company.
Okay, and what do you like to do for fun or anong hobbies mo?
I love doing hand embroideries. I'm into handicrafts and
Okay.
such.
And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Physical or personality?
I look for someone who values time, who is consistent, who is a man for his word.
And how about sa mga deal breakers mo? Alaman
Minute
mo.
cancellation, yung pinaka-ayoko. So, dapat respected yung time talaga.
Okay, all right. Okay, so right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon. So it's up to you. The floor is yours to choose 2 balloons to pop. Binibigay mo na talaga. Okay, let's start over here. What's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Raf. I'm 25. I'm a freelance virtual assistant.
Okay. And bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Looking forward to hear more about him, and it's kind of interesting.
So type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, and how about on your end? Bakit siya yung napiling mong i-pop?
Maybe because of the vibes na parang baka ano lang kami, parang hindi kami for a potential partner. Ayan.
Hindi mo siya nakikita in a romantic
Yes,
way.
not in a romantic
Do you have any response to that?
No, cool.
Hi, my name is Juno. I'm 33. I'm the head of Communications Relations Department in a software development company.
Okay. And bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Because I tend to give chances to people. I don't just judge people right away just because of what they wear or how they look like or how they talk or how they walk. So I want to know more about the person first because it's not always na pag maganda yung itsura ng tao is maganda na agad yung ugali or whatnot or matalino ba siya or ano. So deceiving kasi yung looks. So I always want to know more about the person, how they speak, how they walk, or how they talk, whatnot.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Not really because I'm not into baby boys.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright. And how about on your end? Bakit siya napili mong i-pop?
Again, same reason. Parang hindi ko siya nakikita as a romantic partner.
Any specific reason kung bakit?
Siguro parang I think mas ahead siya sa akin. So hindi ko nakikita na ganun yung kalayo yung edad ko.
Okay, do you have any response to that?
Medyo super strong yung personality ko and sometimes nga nagiging off nga yun sa ibang tao. And that's okay because that's me naman and that's you. So we do you. You do you, I do me. So thank you.
Okay, so right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So this time, magtatanong ka naman ng isang question to help you narrow down your choice.
So in life, I want to know your principle that you try to live by or try to live by every day.
I'm Christopher James. I am 21 years old. I am currently student.
And yung answer mo sa question niya?
For me, yung principle ko when it comes to life, more on tulungan mo yung sarili mo when it comes to family and also for your own good din naman when it comes to your future and also for your partner also. I'm person who likes to hang out when it comes to school, such like that. And I'm also a family-oriented.
My name is Roque. I'm 24 and I'm call center agent.
And yung answer mo sa question niya?
Actually, I always follow what my mom advised to me for being kind. Always be kind wherever you go. You can never go wrong by kindness.
Manuel, 27, IT professional. So my answer, very Cinderella. Have courage and be kind. Ayun. So it will help you a lot if you have that kind of principle in your mind.
Angelo, 23 years old, call center agent.
Okay. And anong answer mo dun sa question niya?
Yung answer ko is don't always depend to others. You you need to help yourself as well, and also love yourself as well. And kasi hindi naman lahat ng oras is you need someone, or you also need to build yourself a support.
My name is RV. I am 29 years old. I am currently working as a financial controller in a cryptocurrency company. I have 3 life principles, which are also my core principles sa work. And then nakatattoo din siya sa akin. So, which are number 1, integrity. So you should always, I should always ensure that my integrity is intact as an accountant, as a professional accountant as well. Number 2 is patience. Since pinalaki ako ng lola ko, so sobrang haba ng pasensya ko. So, in a way na parang yun yung nagbibigay sa akin ng fuel to continue. Just to be patient no matter where you are. And then number 3 is passion. So, ayun, kasi kailangan dapat in life, you have to be passionate. So, sabihin na natin, sometimes it takes sacrifice. So, parang, kasi I'm more on parang yun yung serious side ko. So, those are my 3 core principles.
So, based on those answers, I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Okay.
Alright, let's start over here. So, bakit di ka nagpop agad ng balloon?
For me, kasi type ko siya. Ganyan mismo. That's why hindi ko pinap yung balloon.
Okay, sayang naman. Okay, and how about on your end? Ba't siya napili mo ipop?
Siguro kasi yung sa principle niya is parang academic focus pa siya. So marami pa siyang kailangang goals na kailangan i-achieve.
Do you have any response to that?
For me, hindi naman kasi I'm more on nagde-depend din ako sa sarili ko. Hindi naman ako when it comes to pag may partner ka, hindi naman ibig sabihin na magde-depend ka sa kanya. I'm a person who always depend on myself lang talaga when it comes to life and for academics din.
Pero firm ka na sa decision mo?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Bakit di ka nag-pop agad ng balloon?
Well, plus po kasi pag mas smaller sa akin. And ayun po. And as well, yung light na energy na nakikita ko sa kanya. Just something to pwede mag-workout sa amin dalawa. Yun lang.
How about on your end? Ba't siya yung napili mo ipop?
Kasi I think in later on, parang baka hindi mag-meet yung mga principles in life namin.
Okay. So sa principles kayo nagkakatalo, yung feeling mo. Okay. All right. Do you have any response to that? Do you agree?
No, wala naman po. Goods, all agree naman.
Okay. So right now we have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
I want to know, how do you approach the concept of love?
Ako, para sa akin, pag naramdaman ko talaga yung love sa tao, kahit sino or kahit ano pa, siya talaga yung gusto ko. Yun, for me, yun talaga.
That's too deep, no? Pero love is, I define it if like, you can do anything and everything for that person nang walang pag-aalinlangan. And yung unconditional love pa, yung walang hinihinging kapalit. Actually, I have a shallow definition for love. As someone na never pa nagkaroon ng jowa. Like, I've never been in a relationship. So, ang standards ko ng love is yung love na nakukuha ko sa family and friends. So, I want something more than those.
For me, ang concept ng love is sacrifice. When there are things na di mo akalain na magagawa mo sa isang tao, na nagagawa mo pala, you see na, okay, I realize na I'm in love with that person. Kasi there are things na we casually do, you know.
Oh, okay.
We casually do on a daily basis. Pero may mga bagay na kapag na-realize ko na, okay, meron pala akong kayang gawin na hindi ko nagagawa before, which is sacrifice. Kasi connects more to how deep, you know,
yung love mo.
Yung love mo, and you connect with that person because you're willing to sacrifice.
Yeah. So, sasabihin ko sana na mamili ka ng isa na ipapop, pero mukhang may nauna na. So, we're gonna go back over here. Hi. So, bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Actually, I wanted to stay hanggang sa dulo. Kaso I just realized na you're too deep of a guy. Like, I want something with a lighter vibe. Ayan, so I think you're too serious. So, not my preference. Sorry.
Do you have any response to that? Totoo ba yun?
Actually, no. Kasi siguro in terms of knowing someone, I wanna know
deeper.
In a deeper level. Pero in a lighter version naman, I'm fun and gullible naman.
Okay. Pero final ka na dun sa decision mo?
It's just the vibe that I'm getting and the energy. Ayan.
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay.
I think you're so cute too.
Aww. Okay, well, sayang. So we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng question sa'yo to help them figure out kung tama ka bang match for them.
Nung una pa lang kitang nakita, mukha ka talagang mabait. Mukha siyang mabait for me. So tanong ko, kung gagawa ka ng kasalanan sa akin, anong kasalanan yon?
Okay.
So for me, ang gagawin kong mistake sa'yo in later on, if ever na maging okay tayo, is siguro baka in terms sa issues or parang disagreement, baka there is a time na baka kumbaga parang hindi kita pansinin just to lie low the heat nung
Okay,
argument.
so papa-cool down mo muna.
Pa-cool down lang. So kasi meron akong kilala na parang gusto nila to talk it out
parang confront agad.
Confront agad. For me kasi gusto ko muna, cool lang muna. Like, parang hindi mag-clash.
Do you have any follow-up questions or good ka for now?
Good.
Okay. Alright. And over here. So, anong question mo for our sexy single?
Since I think you're a deep type of a person, should same-sex marriage be legalized in the Philippines? Do you see yourself getting married?
For now, or in the future?
In the future.
In the future, probably... It's a maybe, actually. It's a maybe. Kasi if at that time, wala pa naman akong rightful partner, and then I would just focus on my career and on myself. Pero in time na meron akong rightful partner and mag-propose siya, I would say yes.
Do you have any follow-up? Okay.
Kumbaga, ano yung magiging deciding factor for you to marry a person?
To marry a person, if consistent siya, hindi nagbago throughout the years, honest siya, and then yung pag-resolve ng conflicts and arguments namin, hindi siya pumunta sa dapat makasira ng relationship. Dapat strong. There's honesty, trust, and loyalty, of course. Hindi lang love dun sa relationship. Yan.
All right. You're good for now?
Yeah.
Okay. Since wala sa kanilang dalawa nag-pop ng balloon, ikaw ang mamimili ng kung sinong gusto mong i-pop. Okay. Should I ask kung sino ba? Okay, so bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
I feel we have different mindsets. You know, I see the differences. So parang, kumbaga, sa pagsasagot mo pala, I don't wanna be rude na mag-pop while you're answering because I wanna hear, you know. Parang nakikita ko, you kind of, lack experience. In a way, I don't judge the age, but probably the experience, you know, na parang for me is, since I'm more matured, stable type guy.
How about on your end? Papunta ka na dito kanina. Siya ba yung papop mo? Just to be sure.
Yes, it's the marriage stuff lang.
The marriage stuff. Bakit naman? Hindi ka pa ba at that level to think about that? Or ano ba?
Yes, parang for now kasi focus ako at present So parang building my career, establishing myself. So in terms of that kind of level of relationship, hindi ko pa siya nakikita
So
sa
too
sarili
far
ko.
into the future.
Yes, too
yung
far
ganon.
pa siya.
Okay. Do you agree?
Yeah, I agree. Siguro, mas nakikita ko lang na I wanna settle. Yung siguro at least magkaiba tayo ng timeline in a way. So probably in the future, kung magkikita ulit, okay. But probably for now, no. So we're good po.
Thank you so much. Maybe someday. Okay. So right now we have one balloon left. So please join us over here. Okay. So any final questions for each other?
I have one.
Okay. One.
I want to know, how do you take care of yourself?
Okay. How do you take care of yourself?
In physical,
In general, like how do you take care?
siguro pinaka-importante sa akin, peace of mind. So, I ignore everything that na magkakaroon ng bad effect sa akin. So, I'm focused on yung magbibigay sa akin ng happiness, then yung makakapag-grow sa akin as individual.
And how about your end? Meron ka pa bang tatanong sa kanya?
What is your insight about micro-cheating?
It's bad. Kasi from my past experience, micro-cheating is cheating. Kasi just to share lang, my ex contacted his ex-fling and then hindi niya na-recognize yon unless merong magsabi sa kanya. So, nung share ko sa kanya na nakita ko si ganito, nakasalubong ko siya while doing my work, doon niya lang sinamin na nag-chat sila. And then yung inside ng chat is inside naughty jokes na sinasakyan niya rin. So, ayun.
Okay. No more final questions?
I'm good.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Actually, kanina, before sabi mo, hindi mo muna ako pansinin or Lilo. Actually, ayoko yung
Ganon.
yung ganon, yung hindi ako pinapansin. Especially yung pinaka-specific na reply na ayoko, yung like na emoji. So,
Oh no! Oh no! Ano namang response mo dun?
I mean, siguro kasi for him, yung explanation niya kasi through likes. On my side, is more on parang a one-on-one conversation. Yun.
Okay. All right. Well, unfortunately, wala tayong match for today. But thank you so much for joining the show and I hope you can join us again next time. Thank you. Thank you. I was like, ayaw niya talaga. And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to watch more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusoan or Laruan!